Now lights on.
Alright. Here she is, a main plate. Make this video so you can see all her details, because pictures just can't do it justice. Got Ulysses S. Grant there. And you can just see the superb flat surfaces. There's no waves in it, just the detail, stars, etc. And we'll set this back down, and we can do the sides. Statue. Now the background is going to be Grimald, of course, to really make her pop.
You can see the detail when the light's off.
Yeah. The side plates are flat, but you know that's not a big issue. And one of the outer sides. And I'm thinking about having the, once plated, the filler, the lines in black, so it makes the wrestlers pop. Red, white, and blue for the flag. And I even put a little memorial dedication for my grandma and my dad.
I don't think you can see that as good. There you go.
But yeah, guys, that's it up close. But you can really see that's not picturing. That's just discoloration of the metal. It's once that's plated, I mean, it's just going to be beautiful. Really pop.